Hello everyone, my name is Rika Rahmawati. I'm studying Magister Management in State University of Jakarta. I will be presentation my thesis. For my lecture, first Professor Dr. Kor Yohana MM and Professor Dr. Iketut Ersudiardita MSI. The title uh, for my presentation is influence intellectual intelligence and emotional intelligence to innovative work behavior with stress work as mediation, teacher school intermediate first country or GHS, subdistrict the Great Provinsi DKI Jakarta. Okay, for chapter 1, background problem. Quality education in Indonesia saw various challenges based on number of results report. Teacher must more innovation, use method learning. In Indonesia is lower than lower other country in ASEAN. For my pre-survey, use method learning teacher at junior high school still classified as low. Of the total teacher who survey, only 32% of which has adopt method learning innovative and 68% still use method conventional. Research pre-survey, there is three factor main which influence innovative work behavior teacher. First factor is emotional intelligence, second factor is intellectual intelligence, and third factor is work stress. Based on descriptive above, I'm interested in examining the factor of intellectual intelligence, emotional intelligence, and work stress on innovative work behavior or EWB. Pre-research show the only 35% of teachers who active in create new idea in process learning. Pre-survey of intellectual intelligence is from four aspect which rate still the need improvement intellectual intelligence teacher. Result interview with high school. First is teacher intellectual intelligence, rate very required for process study stage. Two, the teacher who own intellectual intelligence, tall more allow achievement effectiveness in learning. Emotional intelligence pre-survey show us big 65% of teacher still not enough in emotional intelligence. Think the scene from still the amount the teacher who not yet can manage emotional with student and with college work. For pre-survey stress, as big as 75% of public junior high school teacher is stressed in work. Part big teacher feel burden tax, administrative, and broader performs work. Objective study to test and analyze uh, about direct influence and intellectual intelligence of innovative work behavior, and two, to test and analyze the direct influence of Emotional Intelligence on Innovative Work Behavior in Junior High School Teacher in Jatinegara. 3. To test and analyze the direct influence of intellectual intelligence on work stress in Junior High School Teacher in Jatinegara. 4. To test and analyze the direct influence of emotional intelligence on work stress in Junior High School Teacher in Jatinegara. 5. To test and analyze the direct influence of work stress innovative work behavior in junior high school teacher in Jatinegara. 6. To test and analyze the indirect influence and intellectual intelligence on innovative work behavior through work stress on junior high school teacher in Jatinegara. And 7. To test and analyze the indirect influence of emotional intelligence on EWBs through work stress in junior high school teacher in Jatinegara. Benefit study first for theoretical use for development knowledge, especially knowledge management with focus on field study management, source power main. For benefit practical study this as material information and input for agency education Provinsi DKI Jakarta. Matter performs develop teacher so that can give description which relate with variable intellectual intelligence, emotional intelligence, work stress, and innovative work behavior. For chapter 1, literature review and hypothesis formulation. Innovative work behavior is is refine refine idea or individual action direct at the generation, introduction, and application of beneficial novelty at any organization level. By Hossein dan Hegigi 2021. For conceptual innovative work behavior is behavior individual in place the work that covers creation, introduction, promotion, and implementation new idea that beneficial for increased performance role, group, or organization. IWB involving various stages start from identification problem, creation innovation, look for support until implementation and modification idea for give benefit with maximum for organization. This is for indicator innovative work behavior. Intellectual intelligence, ability meant for analyzing a defined connection because an effect, thing abstract, use which approach language, visualize, and understanding something. This is by Nasrul and Alpalah 2020. Intellectual intelligence, ability somebody in gather information, to comprehend information and use information which there in for solve a problem. This is indicator intellectual intelligence. Emotional intelligence is ability to think on emotional self alone and others for think efficient. Intelligence emotional contribute on growth personal, activity personal, which efficient and career individual. This is by Halian 2020. For conceptual, intellectual, and emotional is ability for understand and express emotion, assimilate emotion, and through understand and reasoning emotion as well as arrange emotion which there is one elf alone and others. This is in the indicator work stress. Work stress. Stress is response to situation of condition certain which determined by different individual and process psychological. As consequence from action environment, situation, or incident which put to loads demands, domain psychological and physic somebody by Harsono 2021. For conceptual stress work is interaction between condition work with properties employee which change function normal in a way psychological and behavior which organiate originate from demands work which exceed ability employee or condition environment which cause stress which can use influence negative for employee and organization place work. This is for indicator work stress. For hypothesis, H1, H1 is intellectual intelligence, influence positive to innovative work behavior. H2 is intelligence emotional influence positive to innovative work behavior. H3 is intellectual intelligence has an influence negative to work stress. H4 emotional intelligence is influence negative to work stress. H5 work stress has an effect negative to innovative work behavior. H6 is intellectual intelligence influence positive to innovative work behavior that pass work stress. H7 emotional intelligence influence positive to innovative work behavior despite work stress. This is for model study X1, X2, Z, and Y. Chapter 3 research method. Uh, Research method is quantitative with population as 131 teachers and work in and teacher work in Jatinegara Junior High School. And then technique analyze is use smart PLS SAM. Chapter 4 for result and discussion. This is for analyze respondent. For gender is men frequency 50 and for women frequency 81. For all this is 41 until 50 is frequency 48 and uh merit is 100 teachers and this is for place teacher work. For analyze description, IWB average higher average is 30.92 and lower average is 30.24. For intellectual average higher average is 4.1 and lower average is 30.2. Intelligence emotional higher average is 40.3 and lower average is 49.04. For stress work, higher average is 49.2 and lower average is 30.6. For analyze data is measurement, test, analyze, outer model, convergent validity, construct reliability and validity, and discriminant validity. For convergent validity, mark order loading on mark is 0.5, so that can conclude that indicator they valid. From Hare et al. 2017. For construct reliability and validity, the Cronbach's alpha value of each variable is above 0.6, so it is declared reliable. For the F, result for each variable are greater than 0.5, so that the F result have been met. The discriminant validity results for each variable are greater than 0.7, so that the discriminant validity result have been met. Analyzed data is structural test analyze, inner model, R-square, and structural acquisition modeling test. For S-square, unreliable innovative work behavior as big 0.650. This is to mean the proportion intellectual intelligence, emotional intelligence, and stress work can influence innovative work behavior as big 65%, of which mean currently or strong, whereas unvariable stress work as big 0.690. This to mean that proportion intellectual and emotional intelligence to stress work as big 69%, which mean currently or strong. For structural modeling tests, I use SmartPLS software 3.0. Direct effect hypothesis test for H1 is accept, for H2 is accept, for H3 is accepted, for H4 accepted, H5 accepted. Indirect effect hypothesis test, H6 accepted and H7 accepted. Chapter 5, Conclusion and Suggestion. For conclusion, first, intellectual intelligence has a direct, positive, and significant influence on innovative work behavior, which means that high intellectual intelligence will have an impact on innovative work behavior. Two, emotional intelligence has direct, positive, and significant effect on innovative work behavior, which means that high emotional intelligence will have an impact on IWB. 3. Intellectual intelligence has a direct positive and significant effect on work stress, which means that high intellectual intelligence will have an impact on work stress. 4. Emotional intelligence has direct positive and significant on work stress, which means that high emotional intelligence will have an impact on work stress. 5. Work stress as indirect has direct positive and significant effect on IWB, which means that high work stress will have an impact on IWB. 6. Intellectual ability indirect has a positive significant effect on IWB through work stress, which means that the higher the intellectual ability of teacher, the more it will have an indirect impact on increasing innovative work behavior through the work stress of the teachers. 7. Emotional ability indirect has a positive and significant effect on innovative work behavior through work stress, which mean that the better the management of teacher emotional ability, that more it will have a direct impact on increasing innovative work behavior through the work stress of the teacher. For managerial implication is innovative. For one, innovative work behavior with the high average value is the statement I develop a different learning approach from the used one. Uh, More effective for learning methods that are adjustable to curriculum and Ministry of Education. And then the head of Jatinegara district and can facilitate a forum where teachers can share their innovative work learning approach with college so that they can be practiced discriminate. 2. The intellectual intelligence with the highest average value is the statement I can use the right metrics to access the success of the method. This bringing in an external expert to help teacher improve their assessment metric. 3. Emotional intelligence with the high average value in the statement. I can reflect on my teaching performed objectively. A school need to hold regular training to improve teacher ability in managing their emotional. For the highest average work stress in statement, I experience tension in relationship with coworkers. School need to carry out team building activities that the specialty to bridge the gap between junior and senior teacher. This is my presentation. For presentation, uh, I will be end, and thank you.